Here on Overdrive, over the past few years, we've reviewed supercars, luxury cars, sedans, hatchbacks, boats and even a truck. But what we have for you today definitely takes the cake in terms of the sheer magnitude of what you're about to see. Here we have for you the 6x6 MPVI, which has been made by Defence Land Systems India. And when I say MPV, I mean Mine Protected Vehicle. This has a 230 PS engine and has been built with the purpose of protecting the lives of our soldiers and police forces in conflict affected areas. Defence Land Systems India, or DLSI, a joint venture between M&M and BAE Systems, has designed this gigantic MPVI, which is based on a Ural 5730 chassis. The Ural is a cab with bare chassis and powertrain manufactured by Urals of Russia and supplied by Ural India. At first glance, this MPVI looks like a transporter from the film Avatar. And why not? Just look at this humongous 14-ton giant. Isn't this a frightfully large vehicle? Now, I've been fascinated with this vehicle from the moment I saw pictures of it in my mailbox. And the fact of the matter is that I've done tons of research for you. Now, this particular MPVI is based on a monohull chassis, and this has a V-shaped design, and the purpose of that is so that it can direct the force of the blast away from its occupants. It also has a 21-inch specially developed run-flat tires, and also all the materials all over this MPVI is based on this specially mine-protected steel. Now, the fact of the matter is that it can take an impact of up to 14 kgs from under the hull, and also it can take 21 kgs from below this tire. It's fascinating, isn't it? Another very interesting aspect of this particular MPVI is that this huge bonnet that you see, it cannot be opened manually from the outside. So it's based on a pneumatic system, and hence the entire bonnet opens from the inside. Moving on to the cabin, the MPVI can seat 18 passengers, and the only way they can enter is through a single door at the back. Behind each seat, there are firing ports for troops to use in case of an attack. There's even a hatch on the roof in case you happen to be carrying a bazooka. The driver gets one small windshield and one of the biggest steering wheels I've ever seen, slightly offset to his side of the seat. The MPVI also has hardened bulletproof glass windows, and thankfully there is air conditioning to keep everyone cool on the inside. Now, I did have hopes of driving this vehicle, but it's just not possible because it's an extremely heavy vehicle to maneuver. DLSI has been providing its drivers special training on how to use this vehicle optimally. Now, what we have over here is a special driver who's been driving in the armed forces for the past 18 years, and I think I just have to move over and let him take over this vehicle. Powered by a V6 turbo diesel engine, this MPVI produces a maximum power of 230 PS at 21,000 RPM and 830 Newton meters of torque, available from 11,000 to 12,000 RPM. It is normally driven in 4x4 mode, with the majority of drive coming from the rear wheels. But when the situation arises, it can be switched to 6x6 mode, which no other Indian-made mine-protected vehicles have. At a steep 1 crore rupees, this MPVI is rather expensive. But isn't this a small price to pay to protect the lives of our soldiers? Now, quite frankly, this is much more what we had expected of this vehicle. Now, this plant at Prithila itself, DLSI plans to roll out at least 100 of these MPVIs this year. And now I should finally take your leave by just saluting this MPVI that we've seen today.